Welcome students to another video of second year intermediate English. In this video we will be talking about Dancing in the Rain, written by Azim Hashim Premji. Azim Hashim Premji. Okay, this was written by him. And let us talk about the author first. He was the chairman of Wipro Limited. He was the chairman of Wipro Limited. Do you know Wipro company? Wipro Limited, okay? Well, and he's an Indian business tycoon and a philanthropist. Indian business tycoon. Okay, and philanthropist. Indian business tycoon and a philanthropist. Now, let us see. He was born on 24th July 1945 in Mumbai. Azim Premji devotes a lot of time and resources to improve the education system in India. Okay, he tries to improve the education system in India. Education system in India. Okay, they established a university, Azim Premji University. Okay. Well, and what he wrote about children in this essay. Let us see. Azim Premji Foundation and the Premji University work in that direction. Premji's speeches and articles on education and motivation are insightful and inspirational. Okay, they are all insightful and inspirational. We know pretty well that we see so many annotations in this. So first let us talk about one answer for all the annotations like this. Well, okay, reference and context just now we talked about. Okay, this sentence has been taken from the essay The Dancing in the Rain, written by Azim Premji, who is an Indian business tycoon and philanthropist. Philanthropist means person who loves to help mankind. Okay, now in this essay Azim Premji points out that all children today are being burdened with too many books. Okay, children are burdened with too many books. We know pretty well that, okay, why they are busy with too many books. Well, so many books and so many assignments, so much have to be read and understood. Okay, things like that. Now let us see. Here in the essay, Azim Premji points out that children of today are being burdened with too many books. Well, at the beginning of the essay, Premji refers to the issue of child labor. He is distressed by the plight of the poor, children who work in inhuman condition in jerry factories in Delhi and Mumbai. Okay, child labor is prevailed even today. Okay, most of the time factories employ young children Okay, actually that time they have to spend in the schools. Okay, of course, today the schools have been closed and children, okay, they were not permitted to go out, and in some cases these children are burdened with heavy workloads even today. Okay, now Premji asserts, ASSERTS asserts that child labor is a criminal offense. Okay, child labor is a criminal offense. Everyone knows it, right? Child labor is a criminal offense. These days, children don't have any free time. Okay, these days, children have no free time. How they have no freedom? Because the entire day is spent at school and at coaching centers. Okay, then children do not yeah, there is heavy wind here. Okay, yeah, children yeah, children don't get time to play with friends and meet interesting people. Okay, children don't get time to play and meet interesting people. They cannot pursue their interest or explore the world. Okay, explore means see the world. Okay, because children have been confined to classrooms right from morning to evening. Okay, morning 8 to evening 7, that is their school time, maybe evening 6. How many hours they will be spending in the classrooms? Morning 8 to evening 6, more than 12 hours. Okay, remaining 4 hours will be at tuitions, and less time is spent on friends and playing, etc. Well, quoting Gandhiji, the writer says that children are the greatest teachers. Children are more wise than scholars. A child takes up any activity for its own sake. Adults are motivated mainly by the prospects of money. Okay, we know pretty well that. Okay, we often say that children don't know anything. Children do not know anything, but actually that is not correct. Actually, children are more wise than adults. They try everything until they get failure. Again they try. But elderly people, they don't try and they draw up everything in mid. Okay? Well, their activity and spontaneity is crushed. Teachers and parents should not put undue pressure on children. India will progress only when the children have the freedom to play and dance in the rain. Okay? The general relevance is this: the teachers and parents should encourage children to blossom and realize their true potential. Okay, what is their true potential? Okay, we know children, okay, everyone has a hidden talent in them. But today's world is like this. Every parent wants their children either to become a doctor or an engineer. Okay, do you think only doctors and engineers are needed for the country? No, because we require so many wonderful teachers, good artists, good dramatists, good musicians, good software engineers, and other skills also required. Is it not? Then our country will become culturally rich. Is it not? Now in another annotation, he says that according to Azim Premji, in what way is a child different from others? Okay, children are okay. They teach many things to us. A child has the courage to persist with task despite failing many times. Okay? Children has the potential to try more and more times, okay, even though they fail. Okay, well, next we have another important annotation from this, that is, what does the writer expect from the parents and teachers in the essay Dancing in the Rain? Okay, that was repeated in March 18 and March 19. What kind of change does Azim Premji visualize in schools and homes? That is also very important one. And annotations we have: robbing children of their childhood is a criminal act and our society must weed this malice out from the roots. And another annotation is Gandhiji says that greatest lessons are learned from the children, not from the learned man. Okay, these many important things are there. Hence, this lesson is very, very important for your annual exams. Okay, so read all the annotations and question and answers, students, because at least one annotation and one question and answer is must from this lesson. Okay, now let me read that answer for you once. Premji says that there are many lessons that adults can learn from the children. And he says that children are the greatest teachers. Children are more wise than scholars. For instance, a child takes up an activity for its own sake. Adults, however, are motivated mainly by the prospects of money. While a child is spontaneous and creative, an adult is constrained by his inhibitions and prejudices. Okay, students. Now, okay, with this, I strongly suggest to never miss this lesson. Okay, Dancing in the Rain and opportunities for youth and to serve with love. If you prepare these three prose works, quite guarantee you will get good marks from this question number 1 and 4. Okay, with this, let me take leave of you. Okay, till then, stay safe and stay at home. Okay, students, have a good time.